Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After a long time, I'm uploading this video. Sorry for the late upload. It's with Dipesh. Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to export your Facebook ads report. Okay, so you can export your Facebook ad expenses and your all the reports, and you can check in details. So guys, if you want to also learn about that, so without any late, let's begin. So first of all, you have to log in inside your Facebook account. Okay, so it is my Facebook account. So after that, just you have to click here in the menu. Okay, so now you can see you will get various types of option. You have to click in the ad manager. So I'm logging in inside my Facebook ads account. So I'm logging in. So I think I have little bit the slow internet connection, so that's why it is taking little bit time. So guys, now you can see here I'm inside my Facebook ad manager. Okay, so so those all my Facebook ad campaign which I run before a few days ago. Okay, so I want to export all the details in the reports so you can easily download and you can easily analyze your report. So for that one, just you have to go in the report. Okay, so now you can see you will get various options. Okay, you can export table data, you can create a custom report, and you can use any of them, but I am just clicking here in the 8 because I want to export the 8 report, so that's why. Or if you want to create the report of ad set, in that case you can click here also, or you can just if you want to get the result of your age and gender, in that case you can use this one. Or if you want to check all the things, then you have to click in the alls, but in this time I'm just clicking in the 8. So now again, now you can see here my running campaign only showing. So after that, just you have to go in the here. Okay, so now you can see here is the date, just you have to click here. So I think I should to change the date from here, so I am just making it this year. Okay, and now you can see here all the my previous Facebook ad campaign detail also showing. And so from this side you can choose your all the things which you want to submit inside your report. So for example, if you want to add the ad set name or ad name or campaign name, so I'm just selecting the campaign name also. Okay, if you want to select the region, just you have to click in the region, and all the columns will be automatically added. So now you can see all the comments is all the region also added, but I don't want to add this one inside my report. And it will show your all the impression, your reach, and whatever you want. Okay, so if you want to show your report in the trend, so in that case you can use the trend. So now I can share all the trend is creating by itself. Okay, or if you want to use the bar chart, so in that case it will create a bar chart also. But in this time I want to create a pivot table, so that's why I'm clicking in the pivot table. Okay, so now we can see here, and from here there is a metric also available, which types of the metrics you want to get. For example, if you want to use amount spent, impression, reach, results, there are various types of the metrics available. Otherwise you can use various type ad delivery, ad set delivery. Okay, and you can use the page likes. For example, if you want to add the page likes matrix, just you have to select that one, and it will add the page likes also. So if I went here, so now I can see in the last column there is a page like also, but I want to remove this metric because I don't want that one. So in this way you can choose various types of metrics. Okay, and you can choose various types of the breakdowns as per your requirement. Okay, so I think there are call to action also, description, image, text. For example, if I want to use the image also, so now we can see here, I think it will show the image also in the report. Okay, and I'm just removing this one. For example, if I want to here the video, just you have to select that one. Okay, so now you can see here is a video campaign also, video also showing. Okay, and if I want to add the website URL, I am just selecting this one and it is showing the URL. Okay, website URL. So in this way you can choose various type of the breakdown. So otherwise you can source from here also. For example, if you want to sort the age, just you have to type the age, and now you can see it is giving me popular breakdowns inside here. So there is a age. So if I click in the age, so it will add another column in the name of age. Okay, so in this way you can use various type of the breakdowns. Okay, if I'm just closing this filter, and from the customize also you can use so if this type of the panel is not showing, just you have to click in the customize and you will get this type of the panel. Okay, so sometime it will not be shown. Okay, so and you have to give the title, your report name. It will be by default the untitled report, so I am just giving my Facebook whole year 8 report. So I am just giving this name. It was a mistake here. Okay, then I'm just clicking here. So now you can see my report name is Facebook whole year 8 report. Now just you can do various kind of thing from the settings. Okay, so you can set up various types of thing. Okay, and from here you can share your report directly. Okay, so it is loading, it will take a little bit time. Okay, otherwise you can save from here also. Okay, but I'm just closing this one. Otherwise you can download from the export, and you can export your report in the Excel file, or you can write an Excel file. You can download in the CSV file, or you can download in the images. I'm downloading this one in the image. Okay, and I'm just clicking in the export. Okay, so it will take a little bit time, so just wait for a moment. It will take a little bit time. Okay, so in this way you can also create the report of your Facebook 8 campaign. So now you can see my report is downloaded. So if I click here, okay, so now you can see here my Facebook 8 report is created. So in this way you can also create or if you can also get the report of your Facebook 8 campaign. So hoping that you get few ideas. I'll come back with another new video. Until then, goodbye, see you again.